Hello and welcome to MRG Carmen Miller's Group, Talk of the Town, Carolinas. I'm your host, Patti Mercer. When it comes to the color red, we think about love, and we're going to meet a family filled with a heart of love, and also see why red bows in February are the talk of the town. So we talk about a family with hearts filled with love, and that truly represents each of you. Your name is?
Gordon Owino.
And? Gordon Owino.
And I'm Haley Owino.
So we're here, we've got bows, we've got Ruck, the red t-shirts on, and you've got an amazing story. Haley, can you give us a little sneak peek into behind the scenes of your foundation?
We started this journey back in 2013 when Gordon was first diagnosed with several life-threatening heart defects. We traveled to California where he underwent 15 hours of open heart surgery. He is doing great right now. We are actually going to Levine this week for some tests, and the journey with a kid with a CHD is never ending. And you know, it's a club that you never think that you're going to be a part of, and then you end up in this club, and here we are. And you know, it's kind of the only thing that you can do ever to get over it is to be able to give back. And so one of the reasons we started the foundation was to be able to provide hope and support services to families that were in the same boat that we were.
That is wonderful. Now, how old are you now, Gordon?
I am 8.
You're 8 years old. And at what age did you learn about the heart?
Sure. So Gordon went undiagnosed a whole entire year, which is absolutely unheard of. He was actually sent home to die from the hospital in MUSC because of the misdiagnosis. They said that he needed a heart and a lung transplant, and that the survival rate of that was only 5%, and that he would not have survived the surgery. So we took him home to die, essentially, and that's when we found the surgeon by the name of Dr. Hanley in California that took him on as a high-risk case. And 2 weeks later, we were there and on our way home, and it's been a bumpy road.
What was it inside of you that kept you determined, kept you knowing that this was not going to be your truth, and continues to feed that spirit to help others today?
Sure, I knew that this was, you know, we like sports around here, and it was the final timeout in the fourth quarter for us. And we knew that this last time out, we had to go all in, and essentially that's what we did for Gordon. And you know, being at Stanford, there were people that were far worse off than us. You know, people that are life-flighted there that have no underwear, bras, nothing. And so we were handing people money out of our pockets like that was our own cash. But we knew that there were people that were far worse off than us. And so that's where like the birth of the foundation came from.
Tell me how the foundation helps our community.
Our mission is to provide hope and support services to family and children that are affected by congenital heart defects. And so we have, you know, Levine and Hemby Children's Hospital right here in our own community. And I work directly with the social workers there at the hospitals, and we'll pay utility bills, we'll help with funeral costs, we do random things like that you would never even think of, helping a mom get home in an Uber, all kinds of things, and that's where the money goes.
How do those that may be seeing and hearing about you, Gordon, and your foundation for the first time today get on board with this? Where do we go? How does it work?
Right, so the bows were made by Freda Smith by the Bunch in Fort Mill, and she so graciously has made over 2,200 bows for us.
Wow.
And to be doing this our first year, it was a huge success.
Yes.
And I've said this before, and I will say this again, it's not about the money that we've raised doing this, it's about creating the awareness for the #1 birth defect in the USA.
What has it meant to you and the community to have the support and love from your neighbors?
It's really overwhelming, right? To think that you know, the community would really rally behind us and our cause. And although heart defects don't necessarily impact everyone has kind of jumped on board and supported us and helped raise awareness and you know, making difference. You know, to me, the overwhelming part is the fact that we're able to make a difference in so many families and children's lives through these bows, right? And raise awareness and just, you know, continue the conversation about CHDs.
It's amazing to have like Fort Mill and see businesses and Olive Kingsley and Dr. Jessica Mendelson at New South Family Medicine. She's actually offered to donate $1 for every single bow sold. And so she's actually like a heart mom as well. And so one of the other great things that's come from the bows is I've had so many emails like, I'm a heart mom, or how can we get involved?
Tell me exactly, how can someone get a red bow to put on their mailbox? Where do they go?
Sure, you can find us on Facebook or Instagram and send us a message and just say that you would like to get a bow for your mailbox. We have about maybe 100 left for right now, but we can get more. We know exactly where they came from, and if anybody wants a red bow, we can get you one. Find us on Facebook at the Gordon Owino Heart Foundation or on Instagram at Go Heart Foundation.
Well, that's it for this edition of Carmen Miller Group's Talk of the Town, Carolinas. Hey, if you're thinking of buying or selling your home, make it simple. Just call Carmen. Or maybe you're thinking about moving to our area. Check out past episodes of Talk of the Town, Carolinas by going to carolinahomesearch.com. And if you're interested in putting a bow in February, just know that it's really making a difference in the heart. Until next time, I'm Patti Mercer. Bye-bye.